Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Rusty Dawkins looking at the storm potentials we head through tonight into Tuesday morning. I'm going to run you through Stormcast, and then we're going to kind of go through the timing of all the storms, who will be impacted when, and what the severe threats are tonight into Tuesday, because this does carry over into Tuesday morning, which I'll show you here right now. This is 10 p.m. Monday night. Looks like northeastern Nebraska and parts of central and south central Nebraska seeing the storms. These storms will basically explode as we head through the overnight. This is midnight. Notice that cluster between O'Neill and Grand Island, and then even parts of southeast Nebraska starting to see some storms, but non-severe there, and then a very strong portion of storms in north central Kansas. They all kind of connect by about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. So from O'Neill to Grand Island, south central moving into southeastern Nebraska, this eventually all kind of makes its way east from northeastern, north central Nebraska south, making its way into the Lincoln area about 4 a.m., anywhere between Grand Island and Lincoln, and then it moves a little further north, and then we get kind of a break. Notice still some isolated storms around 8 a.m. as another wave kind of picks up from just probably around Yankton in close to northeast Nebraska, south and southeast through Lincoln towards Beatrice, a little further east, maybe more like Tecumseh, and then east, and then everything, we get a break. We might even see the sunshine the second half of the morning on Tuesday, and then that wraps around. Look at that swirl going on from right between O'Neill and Omaha. My goodness, that's a swirl. And then so another round of storms possible, weaker by 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and then still some lingering showers and storms by 6 p.m., and then everything pulls on off to the east as we head through Tuesday night. So because of all that, there is an enhanced risk from about the panhandle of Nebraska east. So from about, say, Chadron to North Platte to McCook east, that's your enhanced risk. That's your level 3 out of 5, and then everybody else is either slight or marginal. So this means that there's a high tornado threat for parts of central Nebraska with those storms that pop in late tonight into very early Tuesday morning. The hash marks means that we could see an EF2 or bigger. Again, it may not happen, but the potential is there if the storm's set up in the right manner. So with that stormcast we were looking at earlier, definitely a possibility that we could see some storms that could produce a tornado or two late tonight into early tomorrow morning. The better chance is for some very large hail, about a 30% chance in red, 15% chance in yellow. And those hash marks, those black hash marks, means 2 inches or bigger for hail. So that's basically for everybody in Nebraska, and that means bigger than a golf ball. In fact, 2 inches is the size of a lime, almost the size of a tennis ball. So that's how big 2 inches for size of hail is. Then damaging wind, which makes sense. Straight line winds, anywhere from 15 to 30% chance from Lincoln and North Platte to O'Neill. So straight line winds also a possibility. Then as you moved into Tuesday, so once you get past 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, we start the Tuesday time frame, and from Grand Island, O'Neill, east to Lincoln and Omaha, almost Omaha, is the marginal risk. Then further east you go, that line of storms is going to take with it the chance for severe weather, your slight risk, and then your enhanced risk towards Des Moines. So that should be the end of it after we get past Tuesday morning in eastern Nebraska. So that's the details I have for you right now. Just have a way to be alerted if severe weather gets into your area. I don't think everybody's going to see severe weather, but everybody has a chance to see severe weather. So please stay updated, know what to do if a storm affects you and your family, and we'll see you next time.